Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Porsche 911. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter H6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Porsche is a steal with less than 1,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.